Jackie, so the health commissioner in Philadelphia confirms that on April 19th, vaccinations, it will open to everyone who wants a vaccine. But in between the time between now and April 19th, he's making a strong push for the most vulnerable, anyone 65 and up, to schedule an appointment.
In Center City, Kevin Morgan can't wait to get vaccinated.
Yeah, I'm excited.
He just booked his first shot appointment.
It was good. It was a good feeling, you know. It was really a good feeling.
President Biden wants more Americans to feel the relief of immunity. Philadelphia's health commissioner says the city will follow the federal guidance.
While all adults are eligible, doesn't mean that everyone is going to be vaccinated all at one time.
Dr. Tom Farley is asking the most vulnerable to act now before vaccinations open to everyone. He said more than 80% of those who've died from a COVID infection are 65 and older.
If you're over age 65, sign up now and get vaccinated as soon as possible. Don't delay. This epidemic wave is significant.
Dr. Farley says the city is getting more than 80,000 fresh vaccine doses each week. He says supply is finally catching up to demand. Monday, Philadelphia moved into Phase 1C. The final group before the general public gets access is huge. There are more than 250,000 people to get through, and just 12 days before they lose their advantage to get a spot in line.
I think vaccine probably will be available. Everyone probably could be vaccinated by the end of June. But how many people will choose to be vaccinated by the end of June is very hard to predict.
And Dr. Farley's big push to get the most vulnerable group vaccinated comes as he's watching the infection rate climb in Philadelphia. Right now, it sits at 8.7%. That's how many percent of COVID tests are coming back positive. That's up from 7.1% last week. We did ask Dr. Farley if he's also seeing any effect on hospitalizations and if there is any evidence that the vaccination effort at this point is actually reducing death. We'll have that for you coming up in the next hour, Jackie. For now, we're live from Winfield. I'm Mitch Blacher, NBC 10 News.